Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We're kicking up outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, you get PA weather, you get some life in there, and you get lots of puppies. Loki, who was just there. Loki's the white, oh, he is here. Loki's the white pupper, he's actually right here. We have Dexter the beagle. You might see Willie, who's a Jack Russell, that's my son's dog, and we have Harvey the kitty. We sure hope you stick around for that long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. All right, so it is a windy day, 56 degrees right now, getting up to 63. It's a little after lunchtime, and it is super duper windy outside. The sun is out though, so that's nice. And I have a really busy 3 weeks coming up here. I'm traveling like 3 weeks in a row, and I have a conference this week I'm trying to get ready for. I have not started to pack a thing, so I need to try to get my head around that. And I have a video I want to get done for you today, as well as just organize my family for while I'm gone. And hopefully my flights go easily and without any issue. But for my outfit today, I have on, let's see, Pistola denim. Got these in a Stitch Fix. I have on a long sleeve top, got from Amazon, a belt that I got at a boutique. I love this belt. For my jacket, this cute little Z Supply jacket also came from the same boutique. And then for my shoes, I'm going to do these little Dolce Vita, Mary Jane ballerinas, we'll call them again. I'm still trying out the perfect shoe to take on my trip with me for all the, well, multiple trips for lots of walking. So I might take, I think I shared one last week. I might take that pair for one of my trips and this pair for another one. Anyway, so we're trying those out. And that's my outfit today. I hope your week is starting off awesome, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. It is like 5:11. I was tired when I woke up. I'm even more tired now. And I have to get up at 3 in the morning to finish packing and get head to the airport. So hopefully I can sleep on the plane. And it's a rainy, cold day. So it was warmest earlier. So we hit the high earlier today, and now the temperatures are dropping. It went from 61, it's already down to 39, getting down to 25. I think by tomorrow morning when I have to head to the airport, it's going to be like 19. So it's not going to be nice these next few days, which I think I'll miss the really cold weather, and I'll be in Vegas where it's going to be much warmer. For today's post, it was my JB Stylebox, and as always, Carol rocks. She does a great job. I did keep a few items. I did keep the cow jacket. I can't see a world in which I would wear this with matching pants unless it was like a costume party or something, but I think it's fun. I did keep the Scout pants. I know everyone said there's no pockets, but I really do like these, and they're fine. They're nice black. You can dress them up, keep them casual. They're just a great pant. I did keep the little tank with the shimmer, the little gold shimmer in it. And then the brown one as well. And the jeans. I kept the cut from the cloth jeans. That was everything. I did try to get the cream, I did get the cream jacket in the next size up, and it still didn't fit me. It was still tight right here. So I was like, I don't think I'm meant to have that particular jacket. So. All right, and for today's outfit, I have on Daze pants from Armoire. I have on a sweater from Billabong that I did get in a JB Stylebox a long time ago. For shoes, Dolce Vita. And I didn't put any jewelry on today. I just got up and got going. That's a wrap on Monday. I will catch you very early tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday. It's early in the morning, 4:30. I got to hit the road and get to the airport. We got a major snowstorm last night, so hopefully, fingers crossed, I can get to the airport without an issue, but it does not look nice out there. For my outfit today, I am comfy. I have on Michael Starr's pants. I actually have on a Cabi black t-shirt underneath here. I wore layers since it's going to get warmer as I go. I have my Def Leppard sweatshirt on that I got, I think this one came from a Trendsend. Put on my Rag & Bone Miramar jean jacket because that's always so comfy. And then for shoes, I'm going to bring these as my comfy shoes to keep in my bag. So those are by Dolce Vita. Hopefully I can park somewhere where I'm not walking through stuff, or else these shoes are going to get ruined. So fingers crossed. For jewelry, I just have on the necklace my husband got me. I do have a bracelet stuck on, and we're off. I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday. I am so sorry. Yesterday got away from me, and I realized this morning that I never did outfit of the day. So we are missing our hump day on this video. It's been a really crazy, busy week, as you can imagine. But all good. When I left my home on Tuesday morning, it was 19 degrees outside and it had snowed. I wasn't prepared for any of that because, of course, I was coming to Vegas where it was 90 degrees out. Huge difference. I think when I get home, it's probably going to be closer to the 40, 50s, hopefully. Fingers crossed. I'm supposed to leave tonight on the red eye. All right, so I do not have a great view at all from my hotel room, but you can at least see the sphere over here. Yeah, I can see a little bit. So I think that's very cool. So I did a thing posted yesterday. That one was the foot mask, so with all the peelings. I hope you check that one out and let me know what you think, and if you have other ideas of things I should try. And for today's outfit, I have on, let's see, pants from Z Supply. These came in I think I got them in a Wantable. Paired it back to a tank from Evereve and a jacket from White House Black Market. My shoes are Steve Madden, and I have the same jewelry on that I had all week. All right, that's a wrap today. I got to get going, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Friday, time for outfit of the day. So I took the red eye home last night, and I put this on for that. So technically it started very late last night, so 11-ish. But here I am now, noon, Friday. Just got home. So just got home. I'm exhausted, and I thought I better hurry up and share the outfit before I'm done for the day. Although I do have some meetings this morning. The puppers are here, so Loki and Dexter are in the house. Huh. What are you doing? I missed them. And it's a nice day. So I came home to a really nice day. It was heat wave in Vegas, 95, something crazy. Here it's a little more mild. It is 57, getting up to 63, but I think we have some rain coming. And I don't have any funny stories, but, well, I don't think this is funny, but it's a story. It's a puppy story. Dexter was when I called my husband to say my plane's down, I'm on my way. He said, well, I've been up all night because Dexter hasn't been feeling good. So he was upset, stomach all night long. So he does seem to be fine now. We think he ate something. Now he's purged it and he's doing much better. Are you doing much better, Dex? Come here, buddy. Yes, can you see him? There he is. Come here, Dexy. Come here. You want to say hi? His tail's wagging. He knows I'm talking to him. So anyway, that was what happened last night, and luckily I didn't have any parts of it. My husband is still cleaning carpets. So for my comfortable outfit to come home in, I put on a Z Supply set. I got this at a boutique. Z Supply pants, Z Supply jacket from their All Day Knit. I have on a t-shirt from Evereve store. For shoes, I wore the Dolce Vitas back. I didn't have that many pairs of shoes with me, so I wore these back. And then my jewelry is all the same. That's it. I'm glad to be back. All right, I will see you tomorrow with one last outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for final outfit of the day. Okay, so let's see. Today, my Curator pose. So this was the spring Curator. Love my Curators. I think Rachel Zoe puts together a really nice collection, so check that out. I'm glad my travel is over for the week. I have to say that TSA lines were not bad. Everything was on time. We had to be de-iced the day that I left, so we left a little bit late because of that. But aside from the times of my flights, everything went really, really well. So that's a good thing. And my shoe selections, I did pretty good. I will say that those little Mary Jane ballet flats are so comfortable. So if you don't have them, they are super comfortable. They go with everything. Highly recommend. Of course, those links will be down below since I wore them this week, but that one was a really good choice. And for today's outfit, I don't have any puppers in here because when I try to leave, which I am, I'm going shopping with my friend, they want to come with me and they want to follow you out into the car. And Loki has FOMO in the worst way, that he's already like jumping in the car door, right? So they're put away for now so I can escape out the door. But for today's outfit, I have on cut from the cloth pants that I got straight from Cut from the Cloth. I have on a Cut from the Cloth jacket that you may recognize, came in my JV Stylebox. I have on a Z Supply top that came in a Trendsend, and of course I have my Eveves on here because it's lace, so I put my little Evie bralette on underneath here. For shoes, my oldie but goodie Jeffrey Campbell. I love these. The weather's warming up. I didn't tell you what the temperature is today. It's 46 right now, but getting up to 60. Looks like it's going to be gray though, so we'll see. For jewelry, the necklace my husband got me, I do have on my bracelet stack, and we're ready to go. And that's a wrap on Outfit of the Day this week. I will list all of my outfits down below. I'll link directly to items that I can. Many come from boxes, so I'll let you know which boxes, and all those links are down there also. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to comment your favorite outfit this week. Check that like, subscribe, swipe to hype, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.